Hey, this poem is titled Baby Bird Schoolgirl, and it's based on the bullying that I endured as a kid all through elementary school and high school. So it's pretty close to home. Black smoke, reduced eyelids, amplified beating breaks open baby bird's mediastinum, asphyxiate. Boiling red vomits heart into ear. Two Navy Cobra schoolgirls, their laughing rings louder than baby bird's newfound hearing. Brown irises and juvenile teeth, their mayoral razored threats fence baby bird in. Shielded by that silly stall door, armored by politics, that door's broken promise to another schoolgirl. Baby bird schoolgirl. Laughing tongues split from fetal soul acid sets fire to baby bird's virginal ivory keys, orange-shamed flames and blue-tipped tears, fantastic danger in odorous singed flesh, brown-eyed cobras giggling venom, rainbow silk handkerchiefs out of cobras' magicianal mouths, no escape for baby bird. Perish. Glazed over brown-eyed hierarchies, hiss scream bile dictations as futility swallows baby bird whole. Engorged cobra bellies scratch earth while they slither away into feigned amnesia.